Hello friends, as promised, I am coming with second video on math equations. In first video, I had shown you how to write square root, how to write fraction in MS Word without using pi equation editor. Also, in that video, I explained how to use square root and fraction simultaneously so that we can have square root of some fraction. Now, in this video, I will show you how to type vectors, means like vector A, vector B, vector C using function, and as well as how to box something, means box around some equation. So here I will going to start my demonstration. So for that purpose, I will go in Microsoft Word. So I will open file for Microsoft Word. Now this is Word document. Now here I will going to show you how to write vectors. So suppose what is value of product between A and B, and I will give value of A and means I will give vectors A and B. So how to type A vector, how to type B vector, here I will explain you. So for this we have one key, that is \O. So here we have to open field. To open field, we have to press Ctrl F9 on desktop, and if you have laptop, you can use Control function F9. Then you have to type EQ, then \O. Now what happens here? Suppose we use this \O in bracket. Now you will have two fields separated by comma. So suppose I write here A, comma, and suppose I write some R, and bracket is completed. And suppose we come out of the field by pressing Shift F9, whatever R, it is printed on A. It is printed on A. So I will go in field again by pressing Shift F9. In place of R, suppose we use arrow. Now shortcut key for arrow is 2192, and then press Alt X, we get arrow. This is shortcut key. Now Shift F9. So arrow is printed on it. Now I have to shift that arrow in upward direction. So how can we shift? So here, uh, again I will write. I will open some field using Control F9, EQ, \O, and I will write A, comma, then I will write superscript. Superscript means it goes up. So I can write here \S, and if in \S again in bracket I will write 2192 alt text, that is arrow. Bracket is completed for A, and for \O another bracket is completed. So it goes up at the position of superscript. I have to go up again because it is not exactly at the top. So come again here. So open field again, and here after \S, right here \up, and up by how many points you can take means from its center position. How many points up? You can suppose we take 6 points, and means here \S, that is superscript, and backslash up means up by 6 points. So that arrow will shift upwards by 6 points. So here I will get like this. So if suppose we shift by more, so if I take 12, then what will happen? Shift F92 goes up. So I will take here 6 point. But if I take here suppose DO and shift F9, that arrow goes down. So in this case, that backslash S acts as a subscript and it goes by 6 point down from the center. So in this way, you can write vector. Now, using same function, I will take here up, shift F9. So here, suppose I want to write A is equal to IAX plus JAY plus KAZ, then how can I write? So simply, A vector is equal to control F9 open fill again, EQ, now IAX. So I can write backslash O, then I, backslash S, backslash up, 6 points, and now take this symbol I. Now this is bracket completed for backslash S. Now this is bracket completed for backslash O. Then I can write A subscript X plus same is repeated backslash O. Then J backslash S backslash up 6. Then this symbol bracket is completed for both, then I can write A subscript Y plus then backslash O K backslash S backslash up 6 point, then I can write here same symbol here, it is completed, and then I will write A subscript Z. Now see here. So I got A is equal to IAX plus JAY plus KAZ. So in this way I can write vector A, similarly I can write vector B and so on. Now this same one I can use to write some chemical formulas. So for example, I have CS3, C double bond O, CS3. So using this backslash O operator, I can write CS3, that one. So here I can take C. So in that chemical formula, I require double bond, single bond, and that double bond it is on C, and then on that we have again O. So I will write that. For that purpose, I will require some shortcut keys. Shortcut keys for double arrow means double bond and single bond. So open fill, control F9, EQ. Now CH3. Now this is for bond. So I have assigned some key for this line. Then I want C double bond O. So I can take here O. Now C, and as we have taken here, backslash O. Now C, comma, Now backslash s backslash up, I can take 6 point, and then I can take 01C1 alt X. I get double bond symbol. That is shortcut key. And then uh, this one and CH. Sorry. CS3. Now see here, if I come out of the field, I got this. So I have to shift that double bond by some height again. So here I can come in the field again. In place of 6 points, I can take 8 points. Now in place of this, you can use two vertical lines also, no problem. So you can come out. So I want more. So I can take here 10. So shift F9. So it is proper. Now on double bond, I have to write O. So how can we write O? So see here, on C, by using backslash O, on C, using superscript and this one we have taken double bond. Now on this double bond, we have to take again superscript. So what happens here, whatever this one in the bracket, this one in the bracket, for this take again backslash O. And see here, backslash O, comma, now I will take O and bracket is completed. So if you see here, so it is printed on that O, printed on double bond. So what happens here, we have to shift this also, O also by some point in upward direction. So I can take here, for this backslash s backslash up. Now I can take 10 points O, and this O is in bracket again. Now see here. So I got CS3 C double bond O CS3. So in this way we can type chemical formulas also. Means you can draw planar structures using this, but ring structures you cannot draw using this. But using simple planar structures you can draw. For example, I can show you CH4. I will draw methane structure, planar structure. So again, open field, and then EH bond C. Now here on C I have to take bond. So backslash O C. Just we have seen earlier. Backslash S backslash up. I can take 10 points, and I will show give here vertical line, and bracket is completed. So two opening brackets and two closing brackets. One is for backslash O, another is for backslash S. And now control, I can take bond again, and then I will get here H. And suppose we come out of the field, I will get like this. Now, in place of this line, I have to again write here backslash S backslash O, because I have to go over that line, comma, backslash S backslash up 10 point, and here H. This bracket is completed for backslash S, and I have to complete bracket for backslash O. Now compare here. In first backslash O, how many opening brackets are there? 4. So closing brackets must be 4. So Control Shift F9. This one. Now here, I have to add second one, but that is lower one. So in the first backslash O, I have one backslash H after C. So here, if you see this part, it is for upper one and H. Now give here comma, and in the bracket take same backslash S backslash DO. Now I will get 10 points. Okay, and now I am going to write again H also. So backslash O, then vertical line, backslash S backslash DO. Now 10 points, and then I have H. Now this bracket is completed for backslash S. This is for backslash O. So two brackets, and that third bracket was already there, and come out of this. So something is missing. So here 1, 2, 3. So I must have here another bracket also. So brackets must be the same. So this is simple planar methane structure. So in this way you can write methane structure. Now here you can write chemical reaction also plus some C2, sorry, C2 H5 OH, and now you can have some product you can write. So in this way you can write chemical reactions also. Now you can give here on this. Suppose we take here I have to give hint symbol also. So simply open field EQ. Now backslash O. Now 2192. I'll take this is for arrow. Now backslash S backslash off. I can take 5 point. Then I can take delta symbol, and here I can come out. I will get heat symbol. So in this way you can type reactions also. So this is for backslash O. So it can be used for writing vectors, writing chemical reactions, and so on. Now I will show one backslash X also. So backslash X is used for box. So here let us take new field, control F9 EQ, and suppose I take here X and I write here A, and then come out of the field. So box is created around you. Sometimes what happens, you require if you are sitting objective type question paper, you require such a type of box. So what happens if you type question and then you want box, just take this one. So shift F9. So I can see here state whether true or false, and your student have to tick in that bracket box T or F or T, whatever. So in such a case, what you will do? We will take this one, same one, means tick box I have to make. So here open this EQ backslash F, sorry, backslash X, then type some character, but whatever character you take, make its font color white. So and now see here. So what happens, since this box is typed on the line, it will not see. Actually, what people do, they take box from this insert shapes from this. So they take box like this. They make it fill color that is right like this. But what happens? This box during setting it may go up, down, and so on. While this box it remains on the line. Now this is about box. Now suppose I take here same one again, control F9 EQ backslash S, sorry, backslash X backslash TO, and then I type here A. So only top is visible. In this way you can take at the bottom also. At the bottom also. Now if we take this equation, suppose we take shift F9. So everything it is in this. So I can type a backslash X and everything I will keep in backslash X bracket and then shift F9. You will get like box around that structure. So in this way you can use backslash X. Now I will go to bracket and bracket characters. Backslash B, it is used for bracket. So if suppose we take here control F9, sorry, control F9, I will take this backslash B, control F9, EQ, and suppose we write here x square plus y square, okay, and I have to put this in bracket. So I can put, simply put here bracket like this, no problem, no problem. So shift F9, so that comes in bracket. But suppose I have fraction. So if I take backslash F, and we know for fraction we require 2 bits upon, suppose I take 2y. So shift F9, this is this one. And suppose I put this in this bracket, then what happens? Height of that bracket is not equal to height of that whatever in that bracket. So for that purpose, we take here bracket. Here we write backslash B bracket, and then whatever expression in the bracket, and then bracket is completed. Now see here what happens. This one. Now suppose I want square bracket. Then I will paste it again, and I will open the field. Sorry, I will open the field. Now see here backslash B. Then right here backslash BC. Then whatever character you want to write here, and then in bracket whatever your function. So here I can write, but there is error. Backslash B, backslash this, and here backslash. Here. So what is syntax? Backslash B, backslash bc means bracket character, backslash whatever character you want, and then in bracket we will have that whatever equation. So I can change here its bracket type also. So I can take square bracket. So here still type. Sorry. Again here I got this. So I can take here square bracket. So this is in square bracket. I can take in place of square bracket, I can take vertical line. So still step 9, it is vertical modulus. So in this way, I can take this one. Now see, in place of this, suppose backslash c, suppose I take LC, then what happens? So left side, we get on left side. If I take here, RC, it goes on right hand side only. So right hand character. So in this way, you can use bracket, backslash o for writing vectors, chemical equations, backslash x for giving box around the text. Then you can have different bracket characters you can use for the brackets. So in this way, it is very easy to type. Once you have practice, you can type number of equations within very small interval of time because you have to use only keyboard. So in this video, I have shown you this. If you like my video, I request you to subscribe the video. It is free for you. In the next video, I will show you integration, summation, as well as matrix and determinant. Thank you very much.